Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common issue: how to recover your Roblox username if you can't remember it. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some simple steps to get back into your account. First, let's try using your email address. Start by opening the Roblox login page. Once there, click on Forgot Username or Password. This will bring you to a new page. Make sure to select the Username tab, as it defaults to Forgot My Password. Now, enter the email address associated with your account and hit the Submit button. Keep an eye on your inbox and don't forget to check your spam or junk folders. You should receive an email listing all usernames linked to that address. If you prefer to use your phone number, return to the login page and click on Forgot Username or Password. Then, select the option that allows you to retrieve your username using your phone number. Enter the appropriate phone number and click Submit. You'll receive an SMS with your usernames shortly. If neither option works for you, don't panic. Check any purchase receipts you might have. They often include your username. If that doesn't help, reach out to Roblox Support. Be sure to provide as much information as you can to verify your account. That's it. You're on your way to regaining access to your Roblox account. Happy gaming!